Faster, go, go, go. Oh, today's emotional day, guys. We're selling one of my all-time favorite cars, but there's a caveat. I've sold this car 7 different times. The last 7, I guess, prospective buyers all backed out at the last second. Guy number 8, he signed a bill of sale. We're just waiting for the money. I'm pretty sure it's being sold today. I think we gotta acknowledge, I mean, I don't like to point out the obvious, but I kind of dressed up for the occasion today. I got the fresh Bessie kicks on right now. No, your boy does not have a date, but you never know. You got to stay prepared. Maybe I'll meet a girl today. So yeah, I got the shirt for free. So we have lots to do today. We got a lot of cool updates. So the Aventador Roadster, we finally finished a couple custom modifications. I got to show you. I think you guys are going to think they're dope. We got huge news on the house, and then the Jelly Belly, like I said, she gone. Every single time I see this car outside, I fall in love with it all over again, and it only gets cooler and cooler and cooler. Check out the new custom pink calipers. So they're rosette cantus with a white Lamborghini text to match. It just like adds a level of sophistication to the car. Super, super cool detail. And then like I mentioned a couple of vlogs ago, we changed out the Pirelli for Strat, same font. I think it's really, really, really cool though. It makes it a true like 101 Strat edition. There's a couple other things that make it a Strat edition 101. We have that check engine light right there, gearbox malfunction, limited performance. We have all these check engine lights over here. Start, stop, fault, system not. Luke, what are you doing, bro?
Dude, you eat powdered donuts in here? Or
oh
what?
my gosh.
All over your seat.
I like powdered donuts, okay? Yeah, anyways, where were we? Luke has a tendency to get motion sickness, so. Oh my gosh. I was not expecting to hit that hard. Are you okay? You
it's so much faster than the Ferrari.
Oh, I love this car. So 2 vlogs ago, the TRX got 12 miles to the gallon. Yesterday, the 458 got 8 miles to the gallon, and the Aventador Roadster gets 6. I guess on that bombshell, really? Today's video has been sponsored by Bessie. Well guys, winter's here. Whether you love it or not, later today in Utah, it's supposed to snow, which is unfortunate, but luckily I have my Besties on. You guys know Besties. I wear my Besties almost every single day because they're stylish and comfortable. I can rock them on a date, but they also keep my feet warm and dry. They're not just water resistant, they're waterproof. Let me show you guys the power of Besties. I can tell you guys are skeptical. They're waterproof. Check this out. Power washer straight to my shoes. My feet are completely dry. And it's so crazy. Check this out. I'm gonna take my shoe off. That sock right there, that baby's dry. Too dry as can be. The Besties are super easy to keep clean. You can actually just rinse them off with water, and they're made from Dymatex, super cool material that keeps your feet cool in the summertime, yet warm and dry in the wintertime. And guys, the Besties are sustainably made. Using my offer code STRATMAN, you guys can get $25 off each pair of Besties. Just check out the link below to vestie.com, and this winter, keep your feet warm and dry. You'll thank me later. I don't know how to quite say this. I'm gonna get emotional. I might cry on camera today. Luke's been bawling his eyes out. We're selling a car. The Tesla Model 3 Performance is finally sold. Assuming guy number 8 actually comes through in the clutch. I signed a bill of sale. We're just waiting for the money, the Benjamins. Did I take a loss on this? Yes. I bought this car in January, and in what, 2 of 3 videos, I've taken an L. I've taken a lot of L's. Financially, I've taken L's. Go, 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 go. This thing is so stupid fast. Hold on, boys. Yeah, so the Ferrari I bought for 165, I sold for 165, and then I sold it for 200. The Tesla Model 3, I bought this car back in January for 43,000, including sales tax, and we're selling it for 42. And on that bombshell, we're headed off to JP Morgan Chase because I haven't actually paid for the Ferrari. So Chandler, if you're watching today's video, I got you, bro. Well, just like that, $200,000. Sorry, Luke. Usually I don't have a passenger with me. Wow. Yeah, $200,000 on a Ferrari. I think the irony is that I've been complaining about this $200,000 for the lumber on my house, and yet just like that, I buy a car that I already owned. Yeah, so $200,000. Chandler, check your bank. I'm telling you guys, like, I love this Tesla. My favorite feature, if you do us the honors, Luke. Why is this so funny every time? Oh my gosh.
I say we leave this on. I say we leave this on for the next owner.
Definitely. The new owner, when he drives away and he turns left out of the street. Yep, Ludicrous Martin, baby. Like I said, Elon Musk is a hero of mine, mainly because of the emissions. Come on, focus, focus. Like I said, the dumb camera will not focus. Come on. This is such a bad segment because my face is like extremely flush. My camera won't focus and we just have farting noises going on. What? Okay, we gotta shut this thing off. Where's the power button? Oscar's getting a little bit emotional right now. This is his car that we're selling. He finally got a car that he loves. We had a lot of good intentions with this car, but can't keep them all, boys. Moment of silence. I'm sorry, Oscar. Psych! Guy number 8 backed out. He's not coming to get the car. Oscar, you're good, bud. I don't know what we should do with the car. I guess we could, like, I don't know, blow it up? You guys are never ever gonna guess. Off camera, Luke and I just had pizza. Yesterday we had pizza, and the day before we also had pizza. Are we mad about it? Absolutely not. The last time we were here, it was Debbie Downer Tuesday, but today is Exciting Wednesday. Wow, I could have said something a lot more profound right there, but we have some big news here at the house. Oh, geez. Okay, we're good. If you guys remember, about 3 or 4 weeks ago, we were here at the house and we were trying to decide what do we do about stupid lumber. Well, we finally figured out a solution. Luke, are you all right, bro? I'm good. Dude, do not roll a hammy again. Roll a hammy, roll an ankle.
Yeah, my knee.
Luke has a bad knee. We're flying to Africa in January. Wow, that was seamless. So I want to summarize everything up until this point. So back in September of 2020, the original bid for lumber was $250K. Fast forward to today, $442,000. We've been kind of going back and forth, like, do we wait for prices of lumber to fall? And I realized, like, we could wait around our entire lives and prices might never fall. And every single month we wait, it's just gonna cost me more and more money. So I have decided to do the $200,000 gamble. We're just gonna pay for the lumber right now. In a month, that means prices will probably go down, but maybe they'll go up, but at least we'll have a house. So I have verbally, do you see that right there? That's pretty impressive. Good thing I'm wearing my Besties. So I have verbally committed to the $452,000 in lumber. What does that mean? We should be framing the house in roughly 10 days. But when I say roughly, that could mean 10 days, it could mean 20 days, it could mean 5 days maybe, but we're gonna start framing in like a week and a half. So 4 things. We need to have the house done April 15th. If it's not done April 15th, I have to pay all these penalties to the bank. We don't like the bank, we don't wanna pay those penalties. We need to be done April 15th. To be done April 15th, we need a certificate of occupancy. To get a certificate of occupancy, we gotta make the government happy. To make the government happy, the house has to be done, except the garage and the basement. Those can wait. So effectively, between now and April 15th, we have to get everything done except for the garage and the basement. Yeah. So I know up until this point, like, nothing's happened on the house, but from here until the end of the year, we are gonna be crushing. And when I say we, obviously I'm not doing anything, I'm just paying a bunch of guys to do everything because they're skilled and smarter and probably better looking than me. Hold that pizza back, Luke! Hold it back! This is kind of sort of a weird sequence in the vlog. I need a couch, and we're gonna bring you guys along the journey for said couch. We have Lazy Boy, we have Ashley Home Store, we have IKEA, and then we have RC Willie. Like, I don't know what's going on here, but there's a lot of furniture stores. You guys don't know this, but Mr. Luke Terry, like, he is knowledgeable on couches. We walk into this store, we go exactly where we need to go, and he starts telling me all the pros and cons of specific couches and materials and types and where we're gonna put it and the logistics. Honestly, it's quite incredible. Also, it's very quiet in here, and I'm shouting at a camera. I feel uncomfortable, you feel uncomfortable, we all feel uncomfortable. This is so crazy. Last week I bought a TV for the first time. Now we're couch shopping. I've always had a dream. I know this is kind of weird. I've always dreamed of an L-shaped couch. This thing is nice. Like, that's real leather. How
expensive this couch is?
How much is it? Okay.
$4,600.
Maybe we could make a cardboard couch? We own a couch! We finally own a couch. I bought 40 cars in my lifetime and I bought one couch. It was really funny. So we walk in, obviously dressed like idiots. The sales guy looks us up and down. He's like, these guys aren't buying couches, but he has an obligation to still say hi to us. And then we go on our way, we start testing out couches. Some other sales lady walks up to us, makes fun of the camera, and we bought a couch from her. That dude, he saw it happen. Best moment of my life. This acceleration right here, this is for Ron, who wouldn't sell us a couch. How dare you, Ron? We bought the couch from Mallory. All right, I feel better. Ron, we love you, we support you, but we're not buying a couch from you. Fast forward about an hour, we got the TRX and we're here at Wilcar for our new couch. I'm so excited. It's a good thing we have a truck because the Gladiator, albeit a truck, it's got tires in the back, so yeah, it's not a truck. We got a couch, boys! That's it! We got a couch!
How you doing?
I'm doing well, how you doing? This is my first couch.
James?
This is us, yeah.
Your first couch?
My first couch. When Alex and I bought the baby Countach in California, it took us like 3 hours to figure out ratchet straps, so that's why Luke is here. Luke is really smart. He might not look like it, but he is. How confident are you?
Confident enough to say that ain't going nowhere.
If we lose a couch, if I lose my first couch, bro, that guy's still like, he's still yelping about his first couch. Why is he so excited? It's like the entry-level couch. I just asked Luke how confident he is. He told me I could launch this TRX and that couch ain't going nowhere. There's a Mitsubishi Lancer behind us though that would take it in the front bumper, so we're just gonna mildly accelerate because although I trust Luke, I really don't trust him. I walked into my bedroom and I walk out 3 seconds later. Oscar, bye, do you like the new couch? Oh my gosh. When I think about memorable moments in my life, this is like upper echelon. Like buying my first Lamborghini was incredible, but this is our first couch, bud. Yeah. We're just gonna spend the night watching a lovely evening film, but today's video is over. I'm so tired.